Hi, I am Vishwakarma and my student ID is 230122. Uh, so in this video we will go through basically the backend testing, front-end testing, as well as the description of the features and how it works. So moving on, as you can see on the screen, I have already done backend testing, and a total of 61 test cases has been done, which all came success, which can be seen from here. Now moving on to the front-end testing, we will just run this. As you can see, I have only done unit test in the home page part with a total of 10 test cases, which all came to be successful. Now moving on to the about this app or website. This website is generally a one-stop transit website which helps the user to get the information about when the public vehicle is coming, arriving and leaving for the destination, and as well as the routes they are following. Now in this website or this project, there are two parts, mainly the client part and the admin part. So moving to the client part firstly, as I only have one account for it, so the test user. Okay. As you can see, there is a sidebar right here, which in the admin manages three parts: the user, trip and routes. Moving to the user, as you can see, the logged in users have all come here, which we will register in the client side, and also look here to see if the data is coming or not, and the trip side and the route side. Firstly, the route side. In this, the admin can basically create routes to go from point A to point B. So as you can see in this interface, there is an edit button, a delete button. The admin can edit or delete the routes from here, and similarly now let's add the routes. Let's say we are going from Delhi, this will be the route from Delhi Bazaar to let's say Delhi Bazaar to, let's say, Tokha, and the vehicle type will select which is this is optional as well, which we will just add bus for now. So its source location is Delhi Bazaar, so Delhi Bazaar, and the destination is Tokha. As you can see, the coordinates are auto filled, which I have used ORS API for it to convert this location into through geolocator and convert into latitude and longitudes. So after we add the route, we can see the route that we created previously right here, Delhi Bazaar to Tokha. So using this route, we can now move on to the trip side. In this trip side, the admin basically what he or she does is that they will they will determine the departure time and the arrival time in this, and get more data from the routes. So as you can see right here, this route is currently inactive, so let's update it. Let's update it to make it an active route. Let's say since it's inactive, let's update it. Okay. Let's just delete it for now. So let's just add a new trip that we just created from Delhi Bazaar to Tokha, and choose a vehicle, the let's say bus, and departure time is 11:30 am and the arrival time is, let's say, 12:10 p.m. So this is scheduled, route not selected. Now let's create this trip. Okay, as you can see, the trip has been created from Delhi Bazaar to Tokha right here, and the route status, the vehicle, when it was created, last updated when, and the arrival time and the total duration of the trip are all shown here. We can also, if since there are only 2 data right now, if there are many data, we can just filter it by the vehicle type or the status type, which are scheduled or cancelled, since there are no cancelled or completed right now. Let's make one of them cancelled, or let's say 12:40. Let's say one of them is completed. Now as you can see, scheduled, Kalangiti Chabel, this is from Micro, this is from Bus. So we can just click on the complete button to complete the trip, or just click on cancel to cancel it. So let's delete this for now. In this way we can just delete the trips. And now moving on to the user side, as you can see, there is a logout button for the admin side. So let's say we have no account for now and we want to create an account. We can just go in here, test YATRA, test account. As you can see, there is also the password strength meter. So now creating, which will redirect us to this page, and from here we can just log in, and which will show us the home page right here. In this home page we have a small map integrated, and from here we can go to the it's just basic redirection. So firstly, in the routes tab, it shows all the routes that had been created in the admin side, as you can see right here. And similarly, now in the routes map page, there is a map integrated which shows the path from point A to point B. So let's say the only trip available right now is the Delhi Bazaar to Tokha one. So all these trips are showing the routes. So if we click on one of the routes to see if there is any trip available, we can just see from here, and the user gets information through here. When we refresh it, the map refreshes and recenters it. That's all in this side. So in the profile side, let's say, since this is the dummy image which is created randomly, in this side we can just change the name, let's say John Doe. So we can change the name in this way, Doe. So to upload the picture, let's say I'll take this one, and profile picture is all updated successfully. Now to see the admin side, if the user has been updated or not, user side, as you can see, that one we just created has been updated in here. That's all for the video. Thank you.